Have a gorgeous electric bike perfect for going to school or work in the city with the QualiBike Dolphin electric folding bike. The bike comes with a redesigned MXUS 350-watt high-speed hub motor, which is more power efficient and has a longer lifespan. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour, so you can safely use it on the road. This model has a Samsung 14 amp-hour battery pack integrated on the bike seat post. You can remove the battery seat post from the bike and charge it indoors. The electric folding bike has a range of around 60 miles, so you can use the bike for your commute or errands and return without worrying about the battery. This bike has a redesigned folding bike frame. The folded package keeps the two wheels almost side by side, so you can cart the folded bike that saves you from lifting. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur to ride it like an ordinary bike and a 5-level pedal assist for an effortless ride.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery, and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.